Alright, so today, boys and girls, I had a little gas chainsaw, but it was always kind of a pain in the ass, so I went out and I got this RYOBY. It's a 14-inch. It's battery operated. It's got the big battery. You can see that or not. It's the 40 volt. This battery is the same battery as the weed whacker they sell, and the weed whacker I love. My wife loves it. I can't even use it. It's so great. She loves it. So I wanted something that was lightweight and just something for trimming and limbing. So let's see how she works, huh? The chain that's on it kind of sucks. I can tell that already. It doesn't have a very quick response. It's a little bit slow, but it does cut pretty good. Ouch! Ah. Get over there. Gotta keep this stuff so it's, gotta keep it so I can hit the chain around it and just winch it out of here with my tractor. Makes it a lot easier. Yes, this is all on a hill, so it's a little bit difficult, but okay, so hopefully you get an idea of that. I've only used one bar on it, but I haven't been doing very much really. Not that much sawing yet, but there it is, RYOBY 14-inch. I got quite a bit of land here, and I wanted to clear this out because this is where I want to look out my kitchen window while I'm sitting there eating my breakfast and see what's going on. So stay tuned. I'm gonna work on this a little bit more. I gotta move some stuff out of the way. I don't want to bore you to death.